As we hover in the silent void of space, gazing upon the blue marble we call home, the reality of our situation becomes clear. Our planet, a vibrant sphere of life, is showing signs of distress. The Earth is a complex network of ecosystems, each delicately balanced and interconnected. But this intricate web of life is under threat. Climate change, an invisible enemy, is rapidly altering our planet's weather patterns, leading to extreme weather events and rising sea levels. Deforestation is stripping the Earth of its green lungs, disrupting habitats and contributing to carbon dioxide buildup. Pollution, both visible and invisible, is choking our air, poisoning our waters, and contaminating our lands. And the loss of biodiversity, a silent crisis, is eroding the intricate tapestry of life that makes our planet unique. These challenges are not isolated. They are interconnected, each exacerbating the others, creating a domino effect of environmental degradation. The fragility of our planet is not just a distant possibility, it's our current reality. To understand the gravity, we delve into the darkness that shrouds our planet's health. Our planet is under siege, and the assailants are ironically the ones who call it home. We humans. Our everyday actions, often mindless, have been chipping away at the planet's health, leading to a cascade of environmental threats. Let's start with climate change, a term we hear often, yet its implications are far-reaching. Fueled by our relentless burning of fossil fuels, the Earth's temperature is inching upwards, disrupting climatic patterns and triggering extreme weather events. The melting ice caps, raging wildfires, and intensifying hurricanes are not mere headlines, but a grim testament to the havoc we've wreaked. Next, we venture into the green lungs of our planet, the forests. But alas, they are not as verdant as they once were. Deforestation, driven by our insatiable demand for resources, has left vast swathes of land barren. This not only affects the myriad species that call these forests home, but also disrupts the global carbon cycle, further fueling climate change. Our recklessness doesn't stop there. We have turned our beautiful oceans into dumping grounds. Pollution, particularly plastic waste, chokes marine life and contaminates the food chain, posing a threat not just to the creatures beneath the waves, but to us as well. Finally, we come to the loss of biodiversity, a silent crisis that's unfolding right under our noses. The rapid extinction of species is not only a loss in itself, but it also destabilizes ecosystems, affecting their ability to provide the services we depend on, like pollination and natural pest control. These threats, while distinct, are interconnected, forming a vicious cycle that's hard to break. The root cause, however, is the same: our unsustainable lifestyles and short-sighted decisions. The actions of mankind have set a disastrous course, but not all hope is lost. Within the shadows, glimmers of hope shine through. Despite the enormity of the challenges facing our planet, there are countless initiatives, innovations, and movements that are pushing back against the tide of environmental degradation. Across the globe, we see inspiring examples of collective action. Communities are coming together to restore their local ecosystems through projects such as reforestation, coral reef regeneration, and urban gardening. These grassroots efforts demonstrate that every one of us has a role to play in healing our world. Simultaneously, we're witnessing a surge of innovation in green technologies. Wind and solar power are becoming increasingly affordable and widespread, while new advancements in carbon capture and storage offer promising avenues for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. These examples are not exceptions, but rather they are the sparks of a global revolution. They underscore a vital truth. The power to change the course of our planet's future is within our grasp. Together, we can transform these glimmers of hope into a beacon of sustainable progress. But what if we told you there's more to this story? Consider this: every challenge we've discussed so far, every environmental threat, is actually an opportunity in disguise. Yes, you heard right, an opportunity. Our conventional thinking often blinds us to the potential for transformation that lies within these pressing issues. We see climate change as a catastrophe, and it is, but it's also a call to innovate, to create sustainable technologies that can not only halt this crisis, but also propel us into a future where we live in harmony with nature. Deforestation, another grim reality, is a wake-up call for us to reassess our relationship with the world's forests. What if we could cultivate our needs without harming these invaluable ecosystems? Innovative solutions like agroforestry and permaculture are already showing us the way. And pollution, the seemingly insurmountable problem, forces us to rethink our consumer habits, pushing us towards a circular economy, where waste is not an end product, but a resource for something new. The loss of biodiversity, while heartbreaking, is a reminder of the intricate interconnections of life on our planet. It urges us to value and preserve every species, no matter how small, for each plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. The battle for our planet's future is not only about what we stand to lose, but also what we have yet to understand and discover. As we stand on the brink, the choice is ours. The power to protect our home, to preserve its beauty and diversity, rests in our hands. Every action, every decision echoes in the balance of nature. Let's not be the generation that stood by while our planet crumbled. Let's be the generation that chose to act, to change, to safeguard the world for those who will inherit it. For the sake of our home and future generations, it's time to act, to change, to protect. Will you answer the call? Let us know in the comments.